All right, guys, good morning. Here's my kitchen. Gentlemen here are doing a fantastic job. This is doing your template for the countertops. This is it's going to be a quartz countertop. This is a farm sink. So in case you're interested how these guys do it, the only pros do it like this gentleman here. He's one of the best. I say one of the best. It's a good job. Thank you guys for doing this. Appreciate it. So there it is. Okay, you'll see the final result in the next video. So here's the, okay. You usually keep these at 2 inches or 2.5 inches, these pieces.
Yeah.
I see guys using like thinner pieces, but you're comfortable with this?
That's how we get them by the.
Oh, from the store. Mm-hmm. Nice, nice. All right. So she's gonna have 3 holes, one for the faucet, the other one for the, looks like it's a soap dispenser. And then the other one is gonna be for the air gap, which is something you have to have. I recommend you always replace this, and because you don't want to use any old parts. And then we'll have a garbage disposer. And here's the, let's see here. Let's go look at the quartz. See how beautiful it is outside here. So this is called Venus. Look at it's pretty nice looking. I don't know if you can see the colors. Got kind of earth tone colors. Beautiful slabs right here. These slabs come in prefab, is what they call them, because they're already cornered and glued like that. And then you could get the regular slab. This slab is a 9 feet by 62 inches. Okay? So, and 9 by 62, because of the odd shape of that sink, it is actually, we had to get 2 of these sheets. And they're gonna have to put them together. The, normally only one of these will do quite a bit, but there's 3 different sizes. The other one comes in a 9 by 25. The prefab, if you just have regular straight walls and cabinets, all right, give me a call. Make comments, leave comments, and thumbs up. And I want to thank you for watching and subscribing. Hit the bell so it can notify you whenever I'm doing new stuff. Thank you very much. This is what a professional guy looks like. He's ready. Good guy. He knows what he's doing. He's set up right. Okay? Thank you and have a wonderful day.